Here's our sorted array. 2, 5, 8, 12, 16, 23, 38, 56. For a target that may not be present, we want two neighbors. The floor is the largest value that is less than or equal to the target. The ceil is the smallest value that is greater than or equal to it. For a target of 20, the floor is 16 and the ceil is 23. We do one binary search, but instead of only chasing an exact match, we remember the best neighbor on each side. Whenever the middle value is at most the target, it is a valid floor, so we save it and look right for something even closer. Whenever the middle value is above the target, it is a valid ceil, so we save it and look left. If we ever land exactly on the target, it is both the floor and the ceil at once. Floor and ceil begin at -1, meaning none found yet. If the middle equals the target, that value is both floor and ceil, so we return it straight away. If the middle is below the target, it is a floor candidate, so we save it and move right for a closer one. If the middle is above, it is a ceil candidate, so we save it and move left. At the end, we return the pair. Let's build floor and ceil live and watch the candidates update. Floor and ceil both start at -1, our none found signal, with the window over the whole array. If the middle lands exactly on the target, it is both floor and ceil, so return it. If the middle is below the target, it is a floor candidate, so save it and search right. If the middle is above, it is a ceil candidate, so save it and search left, then return the pair. Now, let's test it and hit run. There we go. For 20, the floor is 16, and the ceil is 23. For 16, which is present, floor and ceil are both 16. And 60 is above everything, so the floor is 56, but there is no ceil, shown as -1. The plan in one picture. Start floor and ceil at -1. Compare the middle to the target. If equal, it is both. If below, save it as floor and go right. If above, save it as ceil and go left. When the window closes, return the pair. It is one binary search that halves the window each step, so we finish in order log n time. We only hold on to the two candidate values and a couple of markers, so the space is order 1. 3 things to remember. First, both floor and ceil include the target itself when it is present, so an exact hit is both at once. Second, if the target is smaller than every value, there is no floor, so it stays -1. And third, if the target is larger than every value, there is no ceil, so that 1 stays -1.